Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. So today let's talk about how to get a free SAP trial account. Open the Google Chrome browser and you can simply search for account.hana.ondemand.com. So as you can see, this is basically it opens the SAP BTP sign-in page. Now you can scroll down a bit and you can see there are two buttons, sign in and register. Now click on register button to access a registration page. So SAP account creation is a three-step process. First, fill in all the personal details in the desired fields. So we have this first field called business email. So I will simply enter my personal email address. After that, I will enter the first name and then I will enter my last name. And then you can enter a company name. You can select a country from the drop down. And after that, you can enter a valid phone number. Then you can select the department from the drop down. So I will go with consulting as a department, and then there is one more drop down for relationship to SAP, that I will go with consultant. And now there are two checkboxes, so we have to agree the terms and conditions. So I will click on this checkbox. There are two checkboxes, so I'll click on submit button to proceed and go to inbox. So I have provided my Gmail address, so I can open my Gmail account. So this is the mail which I got, and now I will click on activate your account button, your email address. So after validating your email address, basically it opens one more tab in which you can finalize your account. So while finalizing your account, you can provide your password. So you can just provide a password minimum of at least 8 characters. Make sure it has uppercase, lowercase, symbols and numbers. After providing the password, then you can click on this checkbox to acknowledge and click on submit button. So now to open my trial account, so there is a button below. So click here to start your trial. So I will click on this button and it will open now SAP BTP trial logon. Provide the email address. I'll click on continue. And now it will ask you for final step, that is verify your telephone number. I will continue. We have to agree terms and condition. So for that, I will click on this checkbox and now I will click on accept button. Okay, so now this is what your BTP cockpit page will look like. Finalizing the trial account, so we have to choose the region. So I'll go with the first option now. So I will choose this option, US East VA AWS, and now I will click on account, create account. For building a UI5 apps, so we basically need access to sub account, organization and space. Now you can simply click on continue. So this is the basic home page of your SAP BTP trial account.